Subscribe to my channel Distraction Roots and be a part of the Distraction Roots family. And also, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Yes, right now you can see me. I am again on Mundro Island. Last time I told you I didn't come for the boat ride. Now I am here out with Amal, my friend. So we are here. He is from Mundro Island itself. So we are here going for boating. This is the place here, man. This is the Mundro Island boating area. So we are here going for the boating. Hope it will be a very nice experience. Yes, Amal has called someone up, set up for a boat ride, and we are going for the boat ride here. It's really nice. We'll be stopping here, going for the boat ride. Let's experience the boat ride in Mundro Island. So right now we are on the boat. We are going towards the canal, and this is the Kallada River. There he is. Amal is a local of Mundro Island, and he is from this Mundro Turut. It's like in UAE we tell local means he's a big person, but here a local it means different. But he resides in Mundro Turut. Here also he is a big person. So that was the Kallada River, and now we are entering into the canal. So now we are going under a bridge. This is really nice. So Amal is sitting down here, you can see, and I am also down here. We are passing through the bridge. You can see it's just my head will touch the bridge if I sit up, even while sitting. So I need to bend myself also. This is really nice. That was nice. So we are into the canal now, and you can see the water is very clear. In other places you see it like greenish because it is deep down. Here it is not so deep, so you can see the water clear, and I can see a lot of small fishes here. So now we have entered the canal here in the Munro Island, and you can see how all the households and all that. Most of the people they live around these canals, so their main source of income is fishing, and also they have this coir. They make the ropes out of this coconut coir, just like this. This they have put so that the sand doesn't go out. So this is what you have to experience if you come to Munro Island. Last time when I came, I couldn't take the boating because I was late, and I was late in the evening. But now I called up Amal, and luckily Amal was here at home and he was free, so I came again here and I'm able to experience this canal ride here. It's really beautiful. Chetna Pere? Ratnagaran. This is Ratnagaran and Chetna Murugan. So Murugan and Ratnagaran, they are the two people who are taking us for the canal ride here. Amal was like, he was these are the places where he used to fish normally, but now I don't think they fish. You can see these houses, they have a separate pool or a public pool, you can tell. You can see there on the tree there's a bird here. Hopefully he doesn't fly away by the time we reach. He did go away. He was just basking in the sun. And I was talking to Amal and he was like, the fish here are of really good taste. And so when we were discussing, he was like, now it is salt water here because of the high tide. So the salt water coming from the sea into this lake or the river and such things. So I was asking him when will it go down. He told 6 months it will be salt water and 6 months will be fresh water. So I asked him, what about the fish, how do they survive the salt and fresh water? Because I know personally if it is a salt water fish, it will not survive in the fresh water, and if it is a fresh water fish, it will not survive in the salt water. But he told me it's a mixture, and these fishes, they manage both, and so that could be the reason the fish that you get here is very tasty. Really beautiful. The ride here is really nice. Tala. He would have hit the coconut tree right now. He just missed it. So it's kind of an adventure here. It's really nice, really peaceful. That is one thing I need to tell. The waters are really calm and it's really peaceful, and the ride is fantastic. So this is also a homestay that we have here. So if you want to stay alongside the canal also, you have some options. I don't know the name of the resort or the homestay, but it's done really beautifully. Evening times you can come down, sit around the canal, you can go on the boat ride and all that. And there you can see a new boat is being made. The construction of the boat is happening. I don't see anyone there, but it's almost over, I believe. You can see that it's a new boat and little more works are remaining. Really nice. And you can hear the bird crying. So there are so many bridges like this. We have passed almost 10 to 15 bridges, and you need to sit down. And Amal was like, whoever the person is, however big you are, you need to go on your knees or sit down here, and that is something special here. So
You need
if
to
you
bow. You need to bow.
you need to bow. So he is like, you, if there's someone who is thinking that he's a great person or he doesn't bow down in front of anyone, no problem, happily bring him for a trip here and you can
Welcome.
make him bow. Yeah. So Amal will take the contract for it. You want to make someone bow or something like that, no problem, just call him, and he will take them here, so they will be there on their knees. It's a fantastic idea. And we are almost into the open river right now. We just finished the canal ride and we are into the Kallada river. We started from the Kallada river and we are back into the river. I don't know if you can see there, there is one person climbing on the coconut tree there. You can see the equipment that he is using. He is little far away. I don't think the camera can pick up, or maybe it is slightly blur, but he is climbing up there to put the coconuts. These are mangrove trees. This is the gateway of Munro. So we are going through the gateway of Munro, and it is like we are going into the mangrove forest, and you can see it is like in the form of a gate. So we just passed through the gateway of Munro. It's a beautiful sight, or going through that is beautiful. That's the mangrove that we crossed, and that's the gateway of Munro, and we came through it. Have you guys seen this place anywhere or earlier in any of my videos in Munro? And I was like looking at this place and I was familiar with this place, and yes, this is the S Valavu. This is one of the viewpoints here in Munro. Most guests or tourists, they come here and they come to the S Valavu and go back. And I had also come to the S Valavu, and the other day I had not done boating, so we will be going through under the bridge and then passing over into the mangrove forest. So we are going shopping here. There's a small store here. We're going to buy water, maybe a biscuit to feed the fish. So these are the shells that they got from the lake, and they are cleaning it up there, and they will bring it out and they will put it for sale. So this is how they do it. There you can see they are selling fish. This is how they sell items here. So after going around, we are returning back to the place or the river where we came from. We had taken that ride there. We had gone under the bridge. We went around and came here, and there is this DTPC boating center. This is from the government of Kerala, and if you want to do the boating also, you can come here. There are some numbers and all that. This is the information center. So we are returning back into the Kallada river, and Amal is like a star here. Everywhere we go, everybody is talking to him. So everyone here knows him, and this was a really awesome ride in this canal and through the lake. The best part I liked was the gateway of gateway of Munro. So that was really nice. So thanks Amal for this beautiful ride, and it was really awesome. The ride is coming to an end. If there is something else that can be done, I will go around with them and do it. Else I will leave from here. So that's it from the Munro Island. Maskuru. So that's it from the Munro Island. Thanks Amal, and thanks to these two beautiful people, Murugan and Murugan and Ratnakaran. Murugan is in front, Ratnakaran is at the back. They were really supportive and they were really helpful. They stopped at beautiful places. They were really helpful. So that's it from here, Munro Island. If I had not come, it would have been a loss, or I would have missed something great, because last time when I came, I couldn't go for the boating. So it was really nice. And so that's it from the Munro boating. Catch you guys with yet another exciting video. This is Tom and Amal signing off from Distraction Roads.